Hello friends, in this video I'm going to work with the error here. So if we add the season number 2, but this season does not exist for this series. So if I click generate, and yeah, we have an undefined array K of ID, because if I go here and open the season index, now we make a GET request to the API with a JSON, and we say season where TMDB ID is this new season ID, but this not exist. Okay, so yeah, here we have the error, and we need to fix that. So in the Laravel HTTP client, we have these responses for body, JSON, object, collect, status, and also if I open the Insomnia and make a request with season number 2 to this series, TV seasons, we get success to false. If I change the number of season to 1, we get the preview with episodes, ID. Now we have the ID, okay? So if I change this to 2, we don't have the ID, and we have the success to false. And now we need to check if we have success, and for that we can use status code if we have a status code of 200, or if we can use the OK, this is Boolean or successful. But first we need to make a request not with a JSON, without the JSON, just the API. So come here and make a request without JSON. And now here I'm going to say if the new season is okay, there, then make this logic. Okay, else I'm going to dispatch a browser event. I'm going to say API not exist, and we need to format this code, hit save, and go to the browser, refresh. Now we have the season with number ID with season number 1, number 2, click generate, and yeah, we have now API not exist. If I delete this, and yeah, we delete it, and change the season number to 1 and click generate, okay, we season created, we generate the season. Now season number 2 generate, and yeah, we have an error, but also we need to reset this one, else dispatch an event, and I'm going to say this reset, and come here and refresh. Okay, and it's going to reset only the only the season number. Okay, I refresh again, and for the last time, generate. Yeah, we refresh. We have API not exist. The season number is clear. Okay. Now here we need to add the button to go to the episodes. And I'm going to open the season, not the season, sorry, the series index.blade. And here we have, I think, yeah, this link is to go to the seasons. Now copy this and open the season index blade and paste that here, but we need to say not the season but episodes. And here also admin. I'm going to open that web PHP and episodes index. Okay, episodes index, and we need the series ID and the season ID also. So here we have the series ID and the season ID, and hit save. Okay, come here and refresh, and admin episode index season. Oh yeah, sorry friends, we need to add an array here. Hit save and refresh, and yeah, now we have the episodes, and we go to the series 1, season 8 and episodes. Okay friends, in the next video we are going to work with episodes for generating episodes. See you in the next one. All the best friends.